Sapsan, St. Petersburg, Moscow. Here we go. I think I'm on the last car. I think so, yeah. 9th wagon.
Доброе утро. 9 вагон налево, 39 кресло.
So this is the toilet of Sapsan train. So you got a really nice mirror here. This is the door. It's relatively decent sized. More mirrors over here. Flush. Get water here. Warm water. Disinfection. Toilet paper. Here you can ask for more help from staff. It's simply a joy to be here in Sapsan every time, like seriously. The atmosphere is great, the service is great, and you feel very, very welcome right away as soon as you get here. The best thing, the train is German, yeah, I know it, but it's a Russian train. The way they talk to you, the way they, treat you. Right, let's go and check it out. This is interesting. This is right next to Baumanskaya metro station. It says German Sloboda. I don't know what it means. Is it like a town or what? And right there is St. George. And you got these figures here as well. Well, hello there. Alright guys, next I'm gonna show you how to get yourself a 3-day ticket, unlimited metro ticket for, well, you're gonna see the price and how does it work. So it's very, very easy guys. So basically you can go to any metro station and there's a special machine, and using that machine you are able to buy this ticket for 3 days or 1 day. You can choose 1 day or 3 days. Follow my lead. So right, metro ticket it is. I actually have also Troika card, by the way. Hold up. So yeah, I actually got a rechargeable Troika card right here. And with card, I'm able to recharge, you know, put the money on it. Let's see, I've never done it before, but I'm gonna show you the both ways. Buying the card that you use only during your stay, or with Troika. Let's see what happens. So yeah, these machines are located by the metro. And let's see. So if you choose this, let's change language. If you can you? It seems you can't. All right, but anyways, 3 sutok, 3 days, and then you choose. Я сам не местный, вот стараюсь разобраться. Да, 3 days. 700 rubles, and you just pay for it. You're gonna get the card. So yeah, you can choose 1 trip 75 rubles, 1 day 365, or 3 days 700. And I'm gonna put Troika card in. Hold up, let's see. So I'm gonna charge. Oops, there it goes. And I can choose 3 days. Yes, here it is. All right, now the payment 700. I have to pay for the $7. All right, here it is. By card. Hold up, here it is. Oplati bank card you choose. There it goes. This is the image. And there you go, 700. And I'm supposed to get the card now back. Got it. And now we have 3 days tickets loaded to this Troika card. Awesome. If you don't have Troika card, rechargeable Troika card, all you gotta do is you're just gonna get a separate card. All right, guys. So we are now in the backside of Baumanskaya station. People are having fun. First impressions of this arrival to Moscow, guys. And it truly is. It feels like a real springtime has started, and it's first day of spring actually. So right on time. These are 3D images, by the way. This is Peter the Great right here. And what do we have here as well? Check it out. Some old images from maybe Moscow, maybe not. Russian city anyways. Well, let's check it out. A shopping street in front of Baumanskaya. Moscow Children's Theater, Estrada. We got a mini market here. Maybe we can find something new to wear. German Weaker shoes, I think it's German. And this means that they have opened up. That this is a new shop. That's something in the Soviet Russian traditions. Guys, this is Baumanskaya and Blue Line. So this is Semenovskaya station and area. Very interesting square right here in front of us. Shopping malls, restaurants, And here it is. Here's a торгово-развлекательный центр. So entertainment and also
Сфотографировать меня вот на фоне этого дома просто символично. Я его когда-то строил.
А, да?
Да.
Все.
Ага. Ну, чтобы я полностью влез, и он
Ага. Снизу немножко.
Ну, как-то не знаю, как там.
Широкую можно?
А?
Широкую делать?
Ты как вот.
Сейчас еще. Сделайте так.
Так же?
Да.
Все, спасибо большое.
Проверьте работу.
О, то, что надо.
Супер. So, as I was saying, entertainment complex. He said, please take a photo of me because I was building this building back when. I don't know, but it looks cool. Good job. Anyways, check it out. So yeah, this is Semenovskaya region, and I'm gonna go inside and have a bite because I'm way ahead of my time before I can go into 3 hours before I can even check into a hotel. I got 2 nights in a hotel and spending 3 days in Moscow, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm trying to do this vlog type of version and experiencing Moscow. There's always new things to find in Moscow. Yeah, and Russians are cool because whether I'm filming or not, it's many times that happen that people just come up to me and like, hey, take a photo of me. I'm like, and it's fine. Check it out, guys. Let's go check out if there's something to eat for me here. I want to eat something proper, breakfast. I haven't slept. I have slept for 2 hours, like around 6 to 7 something. So less than 2 hours. Oh yeah, varenichna, and you got some Soviet, equipment here. Theme over here going on. Musicians, Russian musicians. I can see Kirkorov here. That's a cool restaurant, by the way, like seriously. You got a cool theme. I don't know, is it cool going alone? Since I'm traveling alone. And really cool looking entrance, right? And here's Mumu. Guys, let's go eat at Mumu, by the way. But let me see this shopping mall before that. And there's something wrong with the camera. So sorry if it's a little bit drunken, if the moves are drunken. Oh, so there's nothing special, at least here. My back is killing me. I was streaming whole night, guys, like almost 3 hours. But anyways, yeah, this is a shopping mall. I guess there's some stuff upstairs, entertainment sections. This has been built in 1997. But I'm gonna go eat at Mumu. It's basically a stolovaya, a canteen, quite cheap. Entrance into a Mumu. All right, here we go. Cheap food for us, guys. Here's the cashier. So we're gonna go here and have some Mumu, everybody. Здравствуйте. Сейчас просмотрю. We got soup over here. Oh, and we have some warm here. Excellent. Wow. Без салата. Не, ну давайте, да. Let's try. Можно 100 грамм оливье? Спасибо. We got borscht, lapsha. That's like pasta. Not pasta, what do you call it? Spaghetti soup. Рассольник, I don't like these. Alright, so what else we're gonna have here? Что из этого куриное?
Куриные?
Это вот это? Все куриное?
Ну, только рыбные. Оладушки, шницель, куриный, индейка.
Это индейка, да?
Да.
Кусочек.
Гарнир.
Это картошка, пюре. А это что такое?
Это блинчики.
Десерт типа?
Ну, блинчики, да, как
Слад...
Да.
Ага. А блин, то есть...
Вы можете с напитком, у вас комплексный будет.
Да, давайте.
Ну, не комплексно, а это у нас фракция.
Ага.
Блинчик. С ананасом или яблоко брусника?
Яблоко, да. Спасибо.
Ну, здесь дождь, там кофе какой-нибудь.
Drinks, desserts. Where we have... Доброе утро. И напиток-то вот это? Кофе. Латте. Американо с... А молоко отдельно есть у вас? Американо с молоком тогда.
Напиток с блинчиком. 796 мобильное приложение, социальный карта. Пока.
Да.
Прибор образования, салфеточка на стене, для создания.
Man, it wasn't cheap at all. Alright, so this wasn't cheap at all. So I had just 100 grams of winter salads. I got a little piece of turkey with mashed potatoes. Then I got blini, which is like, I don't know, look at this here. It's not a typical blini. With, at least there was apple in it, so I don't know what it is. No sauce though. Plus coffee with milk. So all of this cost me $796, so basically $8. $8. It's well, in Moscow, everything is more pricier, but it's not bad. I guess it's a big meal, proper meal, and I guess I need to eat it because it's gonna be a long day. I'm gonna go after this. I'm gonna go to my hotel next to Izmailova. All right, guys. Oh, you want me to eat it? Well, I'm gonna try it then, guys. Let's try a salad. Salad looks actually very delicious. It's good. Actually, really good salad. Super tasty. All right. I don't feel bad actually because it's so tasty. Let's try the chicken. Wow. I'm shocked actually. Yeah, almost forgot. So this is the blini. I don't know, it's fried. It feels to be deep fried. I don't know why. Or something. And not worth it. She sold me on like, this is gonna be a meal. You're gonna get a drink. And it turned out it's just coffee or tea. You know, it's like, it's not a drink, but yeah, whatever. This here is Partizanskaya. I think this is gonna be epic. Oh, I've been here before. And we are now in Izmailovo, guys. It's a big touristic location. Hotels and all. This is Alifa. We are going to Gamma. And check it out. This is like a Moscow city. This is almost like a Moscow city, but not quite. This is like more Soviet or early Russia. Here's Beta, Vega, and here's Gamma. 1.5 years ago in the summer, I was in this building behind me. I was eating a great pelmenis with babushka. We'll try to put it in this video. Who would have known that I'm gonna be staying at this hotel almost 2 years later, 1.5 years later. Join me as I enter Gamma Hotel at Izmailova Kremlin. And Kremlin right there, guys, is this spot over there, between in these two buildings in the back. It's an epic location to visit, very touristy, but amazing. Everything in Moscow is amazing. Never stop amaze me, these old Soviet monoliths. This is a concert hall, yes, and this is the hotel. Alright guys, I'm Igor in Russia. Behind me is a hotel. Actually, it's located between many huge hotels here in Izmailova, but we're gonna be staying around here in Gamma Hotel, and I'm gonna give you my review of the hotel in my video. So welcome aboard. Let's see how it goes. I hope we're gonna get a really nice view. In case not, that's a bummer. By the way, not far from here is, of course, right there is Izmailova, and right there behind it is actually Stalin's bunker, in case something really bad would have happened. And we are 2 hours early, so I hope, because I have these bags and I'm on a schedule, I hope they're gonna take me in earlier. Meanwhile, check this out. Izmailova in the back. Izmailova Kremlin, may I add. And Kremlin means a fortress, basically. Wow, it truly is, well, very touristy location. Here is the spot that I ate. This is the spot. They have excellent pelmenis, and I'm sure I'm gonna taste it again, because there's no reason for me to not to.